Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Ever give someone a raise or get one yourself and find that that person or you still aren't motivated? This is part 1 of a 5-part mini-series on motivational theories to help understand why that happens and how to prevent it from happening. We're exploring the psychology behind human performance and the science behind what makes people tick, because understanding that is key to crafting an environment that fuels focused, enthusiasm, productivity, and as importantly, life satisfaction. Today, we're diving into one of the better-known motivational theories, Maslow's hierarchy of needs. We'll explain what it is, dispel a widespread belief about it, give you a short summary of research exploring if it works or not, and then give you some tips on how to put it to use successfully in your life, team, and or company. This motivational theory was developed by psychologist Abraham Maslow in his 1943 paper, A Theory of Human Motivation. For the sake of illustrating the levels, picture human needs as a pyramid, starting at the bottom, physiological needs. These include food, water, shelter, air, sleep, clothing, and reproduction. The next level up, safety needs. This is your personal security, employment, resources, health, prosperity. Next, love and belonging. Think family, friendship, intimacy, and a sense of connection. The next level, esteem. Status, recognition, self-esteem, respect. And the tip of the pyramid, if you will, self-actualization. The ability to reach your full potential. Here's the common misconception in this theory. You don't actually have to complete each level before moving to the next. In his paper, Maslow clarifies that this hierarchy of needs isn't quite as sequential as a pyramid framework might lead people to believe. Rather, think of these needs as a web of interconnected needs where you can work on one or more all at the same time. Maslow said in his paper, no need or drive can be treated as if it were isolated or discrete. Every drive is related to a state of satisfaction or dissatisfaction of the other drives. If you're saying to yourself, okay, cool information, does this actually work? A paper titled The Impact of Need Satisfaction on Employee Intrinsic Motivation and Innovation, published in the Journal of Business Ethics, examined the relationship between Maslow's hierarchy of needs and employee motivation in the context of innovation. Researchers surveyed over 200 employees from various industries about their need satisfaction in relation to Maslow's 5 levels. The study found that 1. Meeting basic needs, physiological and safety, was essential to fostering a baseline level of motivation. Employees lacking in these areas demonstrated lower engagement and innovation. 2, satisfying higher order needs, think love and belonging, esteem, and self-actualization, further enhanced motivation and innovative behavior. Employees experiencing strong connections with colleagues, feeling valued and respected, and having opportunities for growth showed higher levels of intrinsic motivation and engagement in creative activities. The key takeaway from this study is that applying Maslow's hierarchy of needs as a framework can help you address both basic and higher order needs within teams, creating an environment that fosters not only basic satisfaction, but also increased motivation and innovative behavior. A few tips on how to apply this motivational framework successfully. You can't build a motivated team unless you have the basics in place. Before pushing for self-actualization, ensure that your crew has fair salaries and benefits. No motivational talk can fill an empty stomach or ease financial stress. And 2, have a safe and secure work environment. Feeling physically and emotionally safe is crucial for focus and engagement. And the last thing, connection and belonging. Foster a positive team culture, encourage collaboration, and create opportunities for social interaction. Think of Maslow's hierarchy of needs as a web of interconnected needs. While meeting these basic needs are crucial, don't neglect the higher levels either. Provide challenging work, opportunities for growth, and recognition for achievements. That's how you fuel intrinsic motivation and help your team climb to the top. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.